In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find AP key in GitHub. We'll walk through creating a personal access token, which works like an API key for scripts, command line tools, and integrations that need to talk to GitHub on your behalf. Start by signing into GitHub. From your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar to open the account menu. In that menu, choose Settings to open your account settings page. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you see Developer Settings and select it. This section contains tools for apps and tokens. Next, open Personal Access Tokens. You'll see a couple of options here. Choose Tokens, Classic. Classic tokens are widely supported and match what we're covering in this tutorial. GitHub also offers fine-grained tokens, which provide tighter control, but for now, we'll follow the classic flow shown on screen. Click Generate New Token if you see both. Generate New Token and Generate New Token, Classic. Pick. Generate New Token, Classic to match this walkthrough. You'll land on a form to configure the token. Start by entering a clear note. This is just a label to remind you what the token is for, like local dev laptop or CI for Project X. A good note makes cleanup easier later. Next, choose an expiration date. It's best practice to set an expiration rather than selecting no expiration. Shorter expirations reduce risk if the token is ever exposed. You can pick a preset duration or set a custom date that fits your workflow. Now select the scopes. Scopes control what the token can do. Only grant the minimum permissions you truly need. For example, if you just need to clone private repos from the command line, selecting the repo scope may be enough. If you're using workflows or reading organization data, you might also enable workflow or read org. Take a moment to read each scope description so you understand the access it grants. When you're confident the note, expiration, and scopes are correct, scroll down and click Generate Token. GitHub will create the token and display it once. Copy it immediately and store it securely, ideally in a password manager or an environment variable for your tools. Never share it publicly, never commit it to a repository, and rotate it if you suspect it's been exposed. That's it. You've generated a GitHub personal access token you can use as your API key. If you ever need to change or revoke it, return to the same tokens classic page to create a new one or delete the old one. Thanks for watching and happy building.